Hi, R2. Nice to see all of you. Hope you're doing well. Manuela, Nicole, Delaney, Emily, and Sammy. Miss you guys. Hey, the nature art collections you did were absolutely stunning. I love them. They're frameable. I hope that you had fun getting outside and doing all of that. Okay, this week it's going to be a simple week. Miss Hages has a very fun project for you. It's a salt dough or salt clay ornament. You can use your ornament as a keychain, wall hanging. You can make a little scene. You could make a rear view mirror ornament. Coaster, anything else you want to make. Acrylic paints work really well, but some kids have been using Sharpie to color these when they're all done because the clay's it's gonna turn out white after you bake it. It's up to you. If you don't have materials for this, you can always make your ornament out of paper, cardboard, anything you have laying around the house. We're kind of making the best of this situation. So if you can make the salt dough, salt clay, I think it's going to be fun, and it mimics the clay because you have to fire it or bake it. But if you don't have it, there's alternatives. And if you have questions, please just holler, okay? I strongly suggest the recipe that's on the Google Classroom, as you will see here, okay, the salt clay recipe. It makes a whole heck of a lot. So if you can cut it in half or even quarter it, you're still going to have plenty of salt dough to make your ornaments, okay? There are 2 assignments for you this week. The first is going to be right here, the weekly email. There it is. All right. Basically, I'm asking you to decide on a process, what type of materials you're going to use for your ornament, whether it be the salt dough or paper or cardboard, and what details will you add. Now the salt ornaments, they can look a little bit, elementary if you don't put a little complexity in there. So what kind of details are you going to add, okay? The second assignment here is, of course, the ornament itself, all right? You'll be graded on completion, creativity, craftsmanship, and your reflection. Oh, I have to change this. It's not due Friday. It is due May the 1st. Okay, let me change this. I'm going to do this right now so you can watch me at work. Okay, you should begin by watching video number 2 for Miss Hages, and then proceed through the materials, including the recipe for the salt dough. And again, I would cut this in half at least. Okay. There you go. As far as projects that were left in the room, okay, a lot of you have a lot of nice artwork, including your tiles that you made and composed. I should be hearing something, I would expect, very soon about how kids are going to clean out lockers and get everything that was just left behind at school since we had no notice. So I will let you know as soon as I can. But just so you know, my ceramic students have been dropping things off and picking things up because they have things that need to go through the whole ceramic process. So if you need acrylic paint or you need any kind of supplies, please let me know. The offices are open certain hours, and I would be happy to package things up for you and leave it for you so that you can pick up. There'd be a no contact thing. It'd be totally safe. But just let me know it. And if you don't need anything pressing, just kind of look for those announcements in the next couple weeks of how you're going to get your stuff and those kind of things, okay? That's pretty much it. Two assignments, all due Friday, May the 1st. Please stay safe, stay healthy. Let me know if there's anything at all I can do for you. All right, take care. Bye.